Welcome to Auto Drive, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews and the latest updates from the automotive world. Before we dive into the details of the stunning 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Auto Drive. Stick with us till the end of the video for the full experience and maximum insights into this classic reborn beauty. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia carries forward the soul of the iconic model with a modern twist. Under the hood, it is expected to feature a refined inline-4 or possibly a turbocharged V6 engine depending on the trim. The displacement and horsepower figures offer a balance of performance and efficiency, with torque delivered smoothly for a spirited driving experience. The engine pairs with either a 6-speed manual or a dual-clutch automatic transmission, ensuring a satisfying drive regardless of your preference. Drive type options may include front-wheel drive as standard, with a performance-oriented rear-wheel variant possibly in higher trims. Inside, the cabin is a blend of retro charm and modern comfort. Seating capacity is ideal for 2 passengers in a cozy coupe-style setup, with premium leather upholstery, brushed aluminum accents, and available heated and cooled seats. The dashboard hosts a sleek infotainment unit with touchscreen navigation, Bluetooth, and USB connectivity. On the outside, the 2026 Karmann Ghia retains its coupe body style with elegant curves, a low-slung profile, and a compact footprint. The length and wheelbase maintain a classic silhouette, while updated LED lighting and alloy wheels add a modern touch. Suspension tuning is focused on comfort and handling, with independent front and rear setups providing balanced cornering. Steering is rack and pinion for precision and feedback. Braking is handled by 4-wheel disc brakes with available ABS and ESC, enhancing safety alongside multiple airbags. Additional features include cruise control, power windows and locks, and even a sunroof in premium trims. Unique trims may include special edition badging, performance upgrades like sport suspension, or chrome accents inspired by the original. The 2026 Karmann Ghia is more than just a car, it's a statement of heritage and innovation. For full performance specs, design highlights, and exclusive features, make sure you watch the full video. Stay connected with Auto Drive and subscribe now so you don't miss upcoming reviews and updates on future models.